Good morning, student. This is Shashi here, and today I am going to teach you math subject. Okay, so this is the first time I am going to teach you. So, are you ready, children? So, let's start. Today we'll start chapter 1. So, this is your first chapter, large numbers. So, we'll start this chapter today. We'll see the place value chart, Indian place value chart and international place value chart. So this is what we are going to study today. So you can see here, this is your Indian place value chart. You must be having little concept about this. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, and crores place. So first of all, we divide it according to the period. Ones period, then thousand period, then lakh period, then crores period. Okay, so we have to study according to that. Now suppose this is your number, okay, and we have to write this number according to the Indian place value chart. So this is your ones place. On ones place, what is there? 5. So on ones place we'll write 5. On tens place, what is there? 4. So we'll write here 4. On 100 place, what is there? 3. So we'll write here 3. On 1000 place, there is 8. So we'll write here 8. On 10,000 place, there is 0. So we'll write 0. And on lakhs place, what is there? 4. And on 10 lakhs place, what is there? 2. And on crores place, what is there? 3. So we'll write here 3. Got it? So you can make the place value chart, and according to its place you have to write the numbers. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to make this place value chart. Okay, and what you'll write? Indian. This is your Indian place value chart. Okay, according to the Indian system, this is your Indian place value chart. Okay, so you'll make this chart. Got it? Now we'll see how to write any number in expanded form. Okay, you can see here 5. 5 is on what place? This is on ones place. So 5 is written as 5 only. Now 4, this 4 is on tens place. So 4 into 10, how much will get? 40. So this has been written 40. Now 3 is on what place? Ones, tens, 100. 3 is on 100 place, so we are writing 300. Again 8 is on 1000 place. You can see ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 8 is coming on 1000 place, so we are getting 8000. Again 0 is coming on 10,000 place, so no need to write. Now you can see 4 is coming on what place? Lakhs place, so we are writing 4 into lakh, 4 lakh. And 2 is coming on 2 lakhs place, so 2 into 10. 2 into 10 will get 20 lakh. And 3 is coming on crores place, so we are getting here 3 crore. Okay, we can see this problem with one easy example. There is another way also we can do. Now suppose 123 we have to write in expanded form. So how we'll write? 3, this 3 is on ones place, so we'll write 3. Then this 2 is on tens place, so 2 into 2, how much will get? 20, isn't it? And 1 is on 100 place, so 1 into 100 will get 100. So 100 plus 20 plus 3. Okay, so there is another way to write in expanded form. Suppose 325. We have to write in expanded form. Another easy way I am telling you. So how we'll write? This 3. After 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2. So first of all, you'll write this 3. After 3, 2 digits are there. So put here 20. Plus this 2. After 2, how many digits are there? Only one digit, 5. So we'll write here first of all 2, and after 2 there is only one digit, so we'll write here 10. Then this 5, so we'll write 5. So 325 we can write as 300 plus 20 and plus 5. Are you getting it? Now let's see with another example. Suppose 5237. This number we have to write in expanded form. Okay. Now look at this part. This 5. After 5, how many digits are there? 3 digits. So we'll write here 5, and after 5 3 digits, so we'll put 30. Then plus 2. So we'll write 2, and after 2 how many digits are there? 2 digits, so we'll write here 20. Then plus, after that 3 is there, so we'll write here 3, and after 3 how many digits are there? Only one digit is there, so we'll write here 10, and after that 7 is there, so we'll write here 7. So this way you can write any number in expanded form in easy way. Got it? Okay. So this is your homework. Exercise 1, question number 1. You have to write this number name. Number name you can write easily, and its expanded form. Then question number B and question number C. So exercise 1, question number 1 is your homework. I hope you'll able to do. And this part also, this is your homework, to make the place value chart according to Indian system. Okay, this is your place value chart according to Indian system, and tomorrow we'll discuss about international place value chart. So I hope it is clear to you. If you have any confusion, you can approach me.